Imagine holding your phone up to a city street. Suddenly, digital signs appear, guiding you to the nearest coffee shop. This is augmented reality, or AR, a technology that overlays digital information onto our physical world. AR enhances what we see, hear, and feel, creating interactive and engaging experiences. At its core, Arkansas relies on cameras, sensors, and software. These tools work together to understand the environment and project digital elements onto it. Imagine your smartphone's camera as AR's eye, capturing the real world. Sensors act like its other senses, detecting depth, motion, and location. Finally, software processes this information, adding virtual objects that blend seamlessly with reality. This technology is not science fiction. It's already here. From interactive games to helpful shopping apps, Arkansas is changing how we interact with the world. Remember Pokémon GO, the game that took the world by storm? It brought virtual creatures into our parks and streets, showcasing the power of AR to blend the digital and physical. As AR technology evolves, its potential applications seem limitless. It's like opening a door to a universe where the line between the real and the virtual blurs, creating exciting possibilities for the future. Augmented reality and virtual reality, or VR, are often mentioned together, but they offer distinct experiences. AR enhances the real world, while VR creates entirely immersive digital environments. Imagine AR as adding layers to your reality, while VR replaces it altogether. With AR, you can still see your living room, but digital furniture from an app appears, allowing you to visualize how a new sofa might look. In contrast, VR transports you to a virtual showroom, where you can interact with life-size digital furniture models. Both technologies have their strengths. AR excels in enhancing everyday experiences, providing information and entertainment within our real-world context. VR, on the other hand, offers complete immersion, ideal for gaming, simulations, and exploring inaccessible environments. The choice between AR and VR depends on the desired experience. Do you want to enhance your current reality or escape into a completely virtual one? Both technologies hold immense potential, and their paths may continue to intertwine, shaping the future of how we interact with information and experience the world. AR is not just a futuristic concept. It's already transforming various industries, making them more efficient, engaging, and accessible. From revolutionizing gaming to enhancing healthcare procedures, Arkansas's impact is far-reaching. In the realm of education, Arkansas is making learning more interactive and immersive. Students can explore a three-dimensional dinosaur skeleton in their classroom or dissect a virtual frog without a scalpel. This technology has the potential to make complex concepts easier to grasp and ignite a passion for learning in students of all ages. Healthcare professionals are also leveraging AR for training, diagnosis, and even surgery. Surgeons can use AR overlays to visualize organs in 3 dimensions during operations, improving precision and reducing risks. Medical students can practice complex procedures on virtual patients, honing their skills in a safe and controlled environment. Retailers are embracing AR to enhance the shopping experience. The IKEA Place app, for example, lets you place virtual furniture in your home using your smartphone camera. This allows you to see how different pieces would look and fit before making a purchase. These are just a few examples of how AR is transforming our world. As the technology continues to evolve, we can expect even more innovative and impactful applications across various sectors. Section 4. The power of AR benefits and opportunities. The widespread adoption of AR brings a plethora of benefits, impacting not just industries but also our daily lives. From enhancing productivity to fostering creativity, Arkansas offers a world of opportunities. In the workplace, Arkansas can streamline tasks, improve communication, and boost efficiency. Imagine engineers using AR overlays to visualize complex machinery during maintenance, or architects collaborating on 3-dimensional building models in real time. AR's potential extends beyond professional settings. It can enhance tourism by providing interactive city guides, translating signs in real time, or even overlaying historical information onto landmarks. Imagine walking through ancient Rome, your smartphone displaying a three-dimensional reconstruction of the Colosseum in its former glory. For individuals, Arkansas can make everyday tasks more convenient and enjoyable. From navigating unfamiliar cities with AR-powered maps to trying on clothes virtually without stepping into a fitting room, the possibilities are endless. AR's ability to seamlessly blend the digital and physical worlds opens up a universe of opportunities for innovation, creativity, and problem-solving. As we embrace this technology, we unlock its potential to enhance our lives in ways we are only beginning to imagine. Section 5. The challenges of an augmented future. While the future of AR is bright, it's essential to acknowledge the challenges that come with this transformative technology. Addressing these challenges is crucial for ensuring responsible and ethical development. One significant concern is privacy. As AR relies on cameras and sensors to collect data about our surroundings, it raises questions about how this information is used, stored, and protected. Striking a balance between personalization and privacy will be crucial for widespread AR adoption. Another challenge is the potential for digital overload. As AR applications become more prevalent, we risk being bombarded with digital information, leading to distraction and sensory fatigue. Designing AR experiences that are informative, engaging, and not overwhelming will be paramount. The cost of developing and implementing AR technology can also be a barrier to entry for some businesses and individuals. Making AR more accessible and affordable will be crucial for unlocking its full potential across various sectors. Addressing these challenges requires collaboration between developers, policymakers, and the public. By working together, we can ensure that AR's future is shaped responsibly, ethically, and for the benefit of all. Section 6. AR's potential, a universe of possibilities. As we stand on the cusp of an augmented future, the potential of AR seems limitless. Its ability to enhance our perception of reality opens up a universe of possibilities across various aspects of our lives. Imagine a future where AR glasses provide real-time information about your surroundings, from directions to restaurant reviews. Imagine classrooms where students interact with virtual dinosaurs or travel through the human body in augmented reality. The convergence of AR with other emerging technologies, such as artificial intelligence and the Internet of Things, holds even greater potential. Imagine smart cities with AR interfaces that provide citizens with real-time information about traffic, weather, and local events. While challenges remain, the future of AR is bright with promise. As we continue to explore and harness its power, we embark on a journey of innovation and discovery. The key is to approach this technology responsibly, ensuring that it enhances our lives without compromising our values or privacy. The augmented future is not just about overlaying digital information onto the real world. It's about augmenting our understanding of the world and our place within it. It's about creating experiences that are more engaging, informative, and empowering. It's about unlocking a universe of possibilities that were once confined to the realm of science fiction.